Good morning, children. The lesson number 9, decimal fraction, is going on, beta. Okay. And yesterday we have seen what is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction is fractions having numerator, denominator 10, 100, 1000, and or the multiples of 10. Decimal point is what, beta? Decimal point is the dot which divides the number into two parts. One part is a whole number and another part is decimal fractions. Okay. So let's say tens. 1/10 means what? Tens. So here each part is divided into 10 equal parts. For example, 4. Okay, if you divide it by 10, so how will you read this number? 4 tens. 4 tens. So if you divide this 4 by 10, what you get, beta? 0.4. Okay, 4 tens, hundreds. Hundreds means here each part is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part. Suppose it is 5 upon 100. So how will you read this number, beta? 5 hundredths. 5 hundredths. So here no place for tens place. So we will put a 0. So 5. No place for tens. So put decimal point. So it becomes 0.05. 78 upon 100. So here you have to divide this 78 by 100. So the answer is 0.78. 0.78. What is that? Now thousands. Okay, now see beta, observe the spelling. It has THS, tens, TH, 100, TH, 1000, TH. So whenever you see the spelling in 100, 10 or 1000 TH, that means what? It is fraction. Means that number is divided into 1000 equal parts. For example, okay, now see with that first example. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, so here no place for tens place, no place for hundreds place. So we will put zeros. So this 0 for 100 place, this 0 for 10th place, and this 3. So your answer is 0 point and no hundreds and no whole number is there. So we will put 0 for the whole number. Okay, then we put the decimal for fraction. 17. Ones, tens, 100. Here is no 100 place. So we will put, okay, this 0 is for whole number, no whole number is there. Okay, 100 place is also missing. And 1, tens place, and this 7, hundreds place. Got it, beta? 529 divided by 1000 means there is no whole number. This 0 is for whole number. Whole number is over. Then put the dot. 500 place, 29, 2, and 9. Got it, beta? Let's see one table it is given in your book. Study how the decimal fractions in the table below written and read. So here is how to write and how to read the decimal fraction. Fractions. Tens. Units. Tenth. P-E-N-T-H-S. Pence. Hundreds. H-U-N-D-R-E-D-E-H-S. Hundreds. Decimal fraction figure. Decimal fraction in figure. And decimal fraction in words. Decimal fraction in words. Okay. And the fraction is 7 integer 5 upon 10. So it is mixed fraction. 7 is the whole number and 5 and 10. Okay. So unit place has 7 whole number it is. See beta, units place it is for the whole number. And tens, hundred, thousands is for fractional number. Okay. Tens. What is given in the tens place? It is 5. 5. 100 place is not given. So how will you write this? 7 is the whole number. 7 is the whole number. Now put the decimal point. And then what is the fraction, decimal fraction? Tens place having 5. So how will you read this number? 7.5, or you can say 7 and 5 tenths. 7.5. Or you can say 7. 7 is the whole number. 7 of 7 and 5 tenths. F-I-V-E, 5 tenths. T-E-N-T-H-S. The spelling is T-E-N-T-H-S, means this 5 is in the fractional part. Got it, beta? Second, next. 7 integer 5 upon 100. So what is 7? 7 is a whole number. Okay. Only 7. So we will write 7 over here. 10th place. So side integer 10th place having 0 and 100 ones times 100. It is divided by 100. Therefore, it is 5. And the fraction for this is 7 whole number. Put dot because the whole number is over 10th place. And it is 1. So how will you read this? 7.05 or 7 and 5 hundredths, or you can read 7 whole number is over. Now say and 5 is in the 110th place, 100 place. 7 and 100, 7 and 5 hundredths. 82 upon okay. So see children, there is no whole number. Only 82 divided by 100 is given. So no tens place, unit place having no tens place, unit place, 10th place. 10th place having 8 and 100 place having 2. So it is no whole number. So we will put 0 for the whole number. Put the dot and it is 8, 2. It is 0 0.8, 2. Or you can say 82 hundredths. 82 hundredths. Okay, and don't say 0.82. 0.82 or 82 hundredths. So you have to read the place of the 82. Place value of the 82. It is 82 hundredths. 4. 25 600. So here 25 is the whole number. So here 10th place having 2, unit place having 5. They are the whole number. 6 is the 10th place, no 100. So it is 25. 25 is the whole number. Put the decimal point and 6. So it is 25.06. Okay, so it is divided by 6. Okay, 100 divided by 100. 25.06. You have to write the spelling 25. 0.06. Or you can say 25.6 hundredths. 25.6 hundredths. Got it, beta? Or 25.06. See, this question is from problem set 35. 37. In decimal form, and read them aloud. Okay, so you have to write this in the decimal form. Nine, see children, it is the whole number. Whole number. Okay. So how will you write in the decimal form? Here, whole number is 9. Then put decimal 1/10. If you divide this 1 by 10, what you get? Or see children, one more thing, you can convert it into improper fraction. 100 into 9, 90, 90 plus 1, 91, and this 10. It has 1 0, so put this decimal point after 1. So it is 9.1. So 9.1 to 1/10. So you have to write 1 in the tens place. So how will you read this number? 9.1 or 9 and 1/10. 9 and 1/10. Here is also the whole number is 9. 100 means you have to divide this 1 by 100. It is hundreds place. So no tens place is there. So 0.01. 9.01 or 9 and 100. 9 and 100. 4 is the whole number. Put 0. Now divide this. It is tens place. It is hundreds place. So 4.53. So how will you read this number? 4.53 or 4 and 53 hundredths. 4 and 53 hundredths. Okay, children. So we will stop over here, beta. Bye bye, children. Bye bye, beta.